Jeez. Wait till I. Oh, what's up, y'all? Welcome to this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. Alright. So, anyway, today is September the 6th, 2021. Yesterday was September the 5th, you know? So, yesterday was my friend Dominique Henry's birthday, aka Diamond Dior. Okay, happy belated birthday to you. Okay, so I don't know when this poetry go on YouTube and stuff. You know, to let y'all know, your boy Dominoes Seven is back. Okay, back in New Orleans. You know, my people told me don't do a Facebook Live and stuff like that. But you know what? I should have did it. You know, I should have did it yesterday, letting y'all know that I'm back. You know, so anyway, uh, let's go down here and I'll show y'all around. Okay. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all remember a tree that was right there? That hurricane ripped it off. You know, Hurricane Ida ripped a lot of things off, you know. Okay. Ripped a lot of stuff off, you know. Yep. They had so much debris around here, you know. So should I tour the but I'm only gonna tour the driveway. Okay. So they did a lot of debris, you know. They even had garbage cans on the side and stuff, you know. So as we look around though, and stuff like that, they got so much trash back here, you know. So some of this trash been here since the storm, you know. But I don't know about that headboard and stuff. All right. Okay. So whoa, what a mess. Never mind what a mess. Okay. This brown chair up here, you know, this brown chair been. Oh, I'm back. I mean, it was a whole malfunction. So let's go back, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, y'all see that brown chair up there? Y'all see that brown chair up there? That was on my balcony. You know, I guess I can't go for my house when I'm doing this. You know, okay. That brown chair was on. All right, I'm back, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I guess because I'm too far from the house, you know. So honestly, y'all. I mean, and look at this, a piece of tape up here. I broke my glasses when I was in Houston. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how the hell I did it. I heard a crack and stuff like that. Mm. Yeah, my best friend back and everything. So never mind all that though. So anyway, I mean I don't even know how I and my other friend over here is back. She been back since before I came back. I do need another vacation though. I mean I treated this evacuation like a vacation, you know. So anyway, I wonder how my friend Dominique doing. Uh, Dominique Peters? No, I ain't talking about. Sorry, Doms. I love you, but I ain't talking about you yet. I'll get to you in a minute. Okay. I'm talking about Diamond Dior, aka Dominique Henry, aka Diamond Dior. She's a singer from New Orleans. Okay. So anyway, y'all. As I was saying, folks, let me put this right here. I'm putting this on my garbage can. Okay. So you see, y'all, I'm glad to be back somewhat. I wish I would have stood where I was, you know, Houston, Texas, but I belong here in Louisiana, okay? So the thing is, though, I mean, by me being here in Louisiana and stuff like that, I'm planning on buying a house in Metairie. If I could buy two houses, I'll buy one in here in New Orleans, in Metairie, or in New Iberia. Okay, I'm well known in New Iberia. You know, so so the thing is, y'all, I'm just all right. Never mind, y'all. Oh, damn. Oh, I dropped the camera. Ain't that some shit? At least let me see. The phone done scraped. God damn the thing done scraped. Uh, I don't understand though. I mean, I'm being clumsy today, you know. I think I need to buy another phone. Do y'all think so? Maybe I will. Okay. So at that though, I mean, I'm gonna buy me another phone though. Okay. Look, that they had a tree right there, you know. So it's all gone. Okay. So all right. So as I was saying though, I mean, as we getting things situated, straightening up and everything and stuff like that, you know. All right. So I'm just here trying to work things out and everything. So me and my best friend had beef and all that, and we friends again. Thank God. I guess I shouldn't have said all that, you know. Just like I was beefing with this dude Randy TV, you know. So Randy TV. So some of y'all know who he is, you know. So so as I was saying, y'all, all right. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm just glad to be home, but I want to take another vacation. Honestly, you know, should I go back to Houston by my uncle Thaddeus, or should I go take a trip to New Iberia, take a trip to Miami, Florida, or Orlando, Florida, and go to Disney World? Okay. I kind of wonder if they went to Disney World. I'm talking about my friends and their children, my best friend and their children. So that would be great for them if we can all take a trip together, all us, you know. So that'll be great, you know. That'll definitely be great, you know. So uh, I mean, I don't understand why they disconnected me like this. Okay, so well. I got somebody to take care of. I'm gonna talk to y'all later, okay? Bye.